Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Daily Positive Healing. If you're ready to stop being pushed by your problems and start being pulled by your dreams, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to gently rewire your mind for success and abundance. We will create a fertile ground for your deepest desires to take root and grow. So find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax, and if you feel safe to do so, gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath, not trying to change it, just observing the natural flow. Inhale peace and exhale any tension you're holding on to. As we settle in, I want you to repeat these words in your mind or softly aloud. Feel their truth. Feel their power. Let them sink from your conscious mind into your very soul. My problems do not push me. My dreams lead me. My past does not define me. My future drives me. Obstacles motivate me to learn and grow. I will create my best life. Let these affirmations be the new foundation of your thoughts. Your dreams are your compass. Your future is your fuel. Every challenge is simply a stepping stone on the path to the magnificent life you are creating. Now, holding on to that powerful, radiant feeling, I want you to make a promise to yourself. A promise that you will go now and with this new energy, create your best life. Whenever you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. If this practice brought you peace and power, please support our healing community by subscribing to Daily Positive Healing and ringing the bell so you never miss a new guided journey. Share this light with someone who needs it, and I can't wait to guide you again in our next video.